Some new and exciting stuff. A really historic day has arrived today. Everything fit together well. You won't believe the things they thanked us for. In fact, the Shiba Inu development team confirmed it to us. But what on earth am I even referring to? Allow me to clarify, caveat emptor. I am thrilled to share some very fantastic news with you today. An ambitious goal of 50 cents for Shiba Inu. In this bull market has been set by two prominent Bitcoin analysts, Jason Williams and Yazan. There has been a great deal of discussion among crypto enthusiasts about this daring forecast. Given the enormous quantity of more than 500 trillion tokens that generate such a price, many are dubious about Shiba Inu ever reaching 1 penny. Seem to be out of reach. Now we're hearing that this bull run could be worth 50 cents instead of just 1. It seems unbelievable, doesn't it? Nonetheless, this forecast isn't merely an educated estimate. It is supported by extensive research. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of this prediction. Very well. Williams and Yazan have recently made a daring social media statement asserting that they aim to sell 50 Shiba Inus this cycle. They analyzed several leading cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and this bold forecast is a part of it. According to Yazan's post, Shiba Inu might be worth 50 cents. During this season, Bitcoin soared to $707,000. William, on the other hand, thinks that the 50-cent mark for Shiba Inu during bull markets could be an objective for this cycle. There are currently 4 leading zeros in the Shiba Inu trading system. The consensus among Bitcoin experts is that by 2025, Shiba Inu will have removed 3 further zeros from their currency. This would require an astounding 200,000% increase in the value of the Shiba Inu token within the next 12 months. Such a huge gain would undoubtedly set a new record. Just to give you an idea, the significance of this prediction is underscored by the enormous size of the gains involved. The price of a Shiba Inu is 50 cents. If Shiba Inu's value were to skyrocket by more than 200,000%, it would forever change the game for cryptocurrency growth expectations. Is it really possible for it to hit it so quickly? I say we check out some other analysts. Fascinatingly, the Shiba Inu saw a bull market that ended in 2021 after the Bitcoin halving in 2020, which caused an astounding surge of more than 880,000%. Many are hopeful that Shiba Inus will experience a similar surge in popularity, but most experts are pessimistic. Typically, they anticipate that the coin will fall by a little margin of 1 and remain in the 3 or slightly higher. Take Donna as an example. The price of Shiba Inus won't rise above 3 zeros this bull season, according to an expert who is well known for her spot on dojoing forecasts, and the reason behind her belief is surprising. In fact, it's an intriguing one, something that gets a lot of slack but needs more emphasis. Yeah, that's hilarious. Just pretend you're on a to trim down and you think that's the sole justification. The reason you aren't losing weight is that you aren't exercising enough. However, additional variables such as food, sleep, and stress levels may come to light as you delve further. There's more to it than just not exercising. There are a number of factors that are interfering with your advancement. Similarly, while the Shiba Inu's abundance is plain to see, a more nuanced interaction lies at the heart of the matter. Is that all then? Then let's look at the truth. Shiba Inu overcomes a significant obstacle to achieve this price threshold. Nearly twice the current price at approximately $406 is the last sell wall. Around 30 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are held by 92,000 addresses at this level. Would you expect the price to rally to this level? Anticipated to encounter strong selling pressure as these investors may opt to liquidate their holdings in order to achieve parity. An enormous block of sell orders at a fixed price is known as a sell wall in the cryptocurrency industry. As a result, going beyond that threshold becomes more difficult for the price. For cryptocurrency investors hoping for a price gain, sell walls can be a real challenge. To get through this obstacle, Shiba Inu needs the backing of buyers more than ever, which could lead to a period of price discovery. Still, a large number of specialists predict that Shiba Inus will reach the level of 3.0 during this entire series. How exactly will Shiba Inus attain that level of cost, though? Just to clarify, after the wild rides of February and March, the Bitcoin market has been relatively quiet this month. The Bitcoin market was somewhat chaotic at the time. Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole saw enormous influxes of capital due to the Bitcoin ETF story. As a result, the price of Shiba Inus tripled in as little as 3 days. How monumental is that, in your opinion? For over a month, the market has been either stagnant or declining. I must admit, it's not very exciting. The bull market may have ended, according to some investors. The absence of significant factors pushing prices higher is one explanation. The excitement over Bitcoin ETFs has subsided, and nothing else noteworthy has happened to cause a stir. Prices often remain flat or even decline when fresh capital is not flowing in. Another factor that can cause the market to slow down is if investors are becoming cautious after such a quick increase and are taking profits. Now, though, things start to get intriguing. Today, the volumes of Bitcoin ETFs reached a level not seen in 7 weeks. Daily trading volumes for Bitcoin ETFs have surpassed $6 billion, ascending to levels not witnessed since the latter part of March. Concurrently with Bitcoin's price reaching fresh May highs, you could say the buzz is back. There has been a noticeable lack of performance from Bitcoin ETFs recently, at an all-time high of more than $73,000 for Bitcoin. Sentiment reports that this week the 7 biggest new spot ETFs handled a volume of more above $5 billion, the highest transaction since March 24th. The days of major investors focusing just on asset accumulation appear to be past, according to Sentiment, as trading activity is already gathering significant pace. The situation spirals out of control as hedge fund manager Thomas Crowlow voiced his bullish view, characterizing the increase in trading activity as a highly favorable indicator for the market. There has been a surprising uptick in interest in even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which was previously linked to substantial outflows. Grayscale received $27 million on May 16th and $4.6 million on May 17th, according to data from sources such as the UK investment firm Farside. Wow, this is really shocking news. Give it some thought. Due to Grayscale's daily outflows, we have seen multiple market crashes this year, so they've decided to purchase Bitcoin instead. And just for a single day, but for 3 days in a row. I can't believe it. Crypto fans will consider this news to be monumental. Grayscale's an abrupt change from outflows to inflows indicates a major change in attitude toward Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency industry. It would be the equivalent of your normally cynical friend who is now the one proposing you try the trendiest restaurant in town, a crypto enthusiast. It's surprising, but it demonstrates a fresh optimism that can greatly influence everyone's disposition and choices. It appears like the bull market has returned. Also, the Shiba Inu development team member Lucy made a noteworthy Twitter remark not long ago. "We are about to start a parabolic cycle," as one user called Wall Street Bets put it. Amen was Lucy's response. Where does this lead us, though? An asset's value might experience a fast and exponential rise in what is known as a parabolic cycle. Imagine a roller coaster that unexpectedly launches itself into the sky. Lucy is effectively indicating her agreement or approval with the next by saying amen. So what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave a comment in the space provided. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. Click on one of the videos on the screen if you're interested in finding out more. We have reached the final segment of this video. Please hit that like button if you found the video entertaining. Plus, the comment section is where you should put your thoughts. Regarding the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. Further, we ask that you forward this video to everyone you know. It is time to spread the word.